Who has taken charge as the new Army Chief of India? Answer is General Manoj Mukund Naravane. Next. Who has taken charge as India's first Chief of Defence Staff? Answer is General Bipin Rawat. Next. Who has been given the additional charge to head Central Reserve Police Force? Answer is General S.S. Deswal. Next. Which state is celebrating the 11-day long Dhanu Jatra? Answer is Odisha. Next. Which state government has launched the Abhinandan scheme? Answer is Assam government. Next. Which state transportation bus service launched Damini Helpline Service for Women? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next. Which state has become the first state in the country to pass anti-CAA resolution? Answer is Kerala. Next. The Ministry of Labour and Employment is set to launch which portal for rapid grievance redressal for the employers and the employees? Answer is Santusht portal. Next. Who is the current chairman of Railway Board? Answer is Vinod Kumar Yadav. Next. Which state has recently got its first elephant colony? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next. Railway Protection Force has been renamed as dash dash. Answer is Indian Railway Protection Force Service. Next. ISRO will establish a second launch port in which state exclusively to launch small satellite launch vehicles? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next. Which mobile app has been launched by RBI to assist visually challenged to identify currency notes? Answer is Mobile Aided Note Identifier. Next. The World Health Organization has designed the year 2020 as the dash dash. Answer is Year of Nurse and Midwife. Next. Which ministry has announced to set up the new Emerging and Strategic Technologies Division? Answer is Ministry of External Affairs. Next. Cyber Safe Women Initiative has been launched by which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Next. Rohit Sharma recently laid the foundation stone for International Cricket Stadium in which city? Answer is Hyderabad. Next. Which state has declared the 2020 as Year of Artificial Intelligence? Answer is Telangana. Next. The Indian Space Research Organization has signed a pact with Indian Institute of Astrophysics to establish an optical telescope under which project? Answer is Project Netra. Next. The Indian Space Research Organization has set up a regional academic center in which state? Answer is Karnataka. Next, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India recently has launched Verified Milk Vendor Scheme in which state? Answer is Gujarat. Next, the first edition of Khelo India University Games will be held in which city? Answer is Bhubaneswar. Next, Buksa Bird Festival is being organized in which state? Answer is West Bengal. Next, which has become the fifth railway station in the country to have navigation facilities for visually impaired? Answer is Chandigarh Railway Station. Next, 31st International Kite Festival was launched in which city? Answer is Ahmedabad. Next, Kashmir will be connected to the rest of India through railway network by which year? Answer is December 2021. Next, which state has initiated a project to save paper by using the digital medium for administrative work as much as possible? Answer is West Bengal. Next, which state will conduct a dedicated state-level Adalat for LGBT community? Answer is Kerala state. Next, Indian Navy has deployed which aircraft carrier recently in the Arabian Sea? Answer is INS Vikramaditya. Next, which state government has recently announced to prepare special textbooks for children with learning disabilities? Answer is Government of Uttar Pradesh. Next, Yashaswini scheme for women entrepreneurship was recently launched in which state? Answer is Goa. Next, government has recently launched the Integrated Road Accident Database which has been developed by which institution? Answer is IIT Madras. Next, who has been nominated for World Games Athlete of the Year 2019 from India? Answer is Rani Rampal. Next, who has been appointed as Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force? Answer is AP Maheshwari. Next, which state has made it to the Guinness Book of World Records for preparing the largest quantity of khichdi? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which Indian cricketer has been nominated in Laurie's list for most inspiring sporting event of last 20 years? Answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Next, which state has launched the Rozgar Sangi app? Answer is Chandigarh state. Next, Flipkart has recently opened its two largest fulfillment centers in which state? Answer is Haryana. Next, which bank will provide a loan of 88 million dollars for Assam Inland Water Transport Project? Answer is World Bank. Next, which institution has partnered with TikTok to produce short video modules on management courses for students and trained professionals? Answer is Indian Institute of Management Indore. Next, according to new guidelines issued for establishing petrol pumps, any petrol pump can't be established in dash dash meters radius of a school, hospitals and residential area. Answer is 50 meters. Next, the second Tejas Express, which was recently flagged off, connects Mumbai with which city? Answer is Ahmedabad. Next, which union territory has signed an agreement with Niti Aayog for development of infrastructure projects? Answer is Union Territory of Ladakh. Next, National Informatics Center has set up the Center of Excellence in Blockchain Technology in which city? Answer is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next, which city will be the executive capital of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Next, name the Indian teacher who has become the first foreigner to contract coronavirus in China. Answer is Preeti Maheshwari. Next, where was the first case of coronavirus disease outside of China? Answer is Thailand. Next, who has become the fastest opener to score 7,000 one-day international runs? Answer is Rohit Sharma. Next, India has started the thermal screening of passengers arriving from which country? Answer is China. Next, One Nation One Ration Card scheme will be implemented by which date across India? Answer is 1st June 2020. Next, according to Greenpeace India report, which is the most polluted city in India? Answer is Jharia. Next, which state has won the Khelo India Youth Games 2020 trophy? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, ISRO will send which lady robot in unmanned Gaganyaan? Answer is Vyomitra. Next, which city will remain open for 24 hours from January 27? Answer is Mumbai. Next, which has become the first state in the country to implement agricultural land leasing policy? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, the country's first e-waste clinic has been opened in which city? Answer is Bhopal. Next, which state has announced a ban on three-wheelers that are older than 15 years and run on fossil fuel? Answer is Punjab government. Next, which airport has started Women with Wheels cab service for female safety? Answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Next, which state has organized the Innovation Festival? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next, who has taken charge as the Chief Executive of the Indian Banks Association? Answer is Sunil Mehta. Next, which word has been chosen as the Oxford Hindi Word of 2019? Answer is Samvidhan. Next, which state has launched the Shiv Bhojan scheme? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, which state has launched a virtual police station where people can lodge complaints from their respective districts without visiting police station? Answer is Odisha. Which country has installed a coronavirus screening device at border with India? Answer is Myanmar. Next, Indian Railways will run 100% on electricity by which year? Answer is 2024. Next, world's largest meditation center was recently inaugurated in which city? Answer is Hyderabad. Next, which state celebrates the Nagoba Jatra festival? Answer is Telangana. Next, the Assam Rifles has constructed a combined war memorial in which state recently? Answer is Nagaland. Next, India has reported its first case of the novel coronavirus in which state? Answer is Kerala. Next, who has won the World's Game Athlete of the Year award? Answer is Rani Rampal. Next, which state has flag off the country's first fruit train? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which state has launched the YSR Pension Kanuka scheme? Answer is Andhra Pradesh state. Next, as per the survey by Transparency International, which state has emerged as the top state in terms of best practices followed in budget formulation? Answer is Assam. Next, Union government has announced to establish how many more airports by 2024 under the Udan scheme? Answer is 100. Next, who has been elected President of the Paralympic Committee of India? Answer is Deepa Malik. Next, the 21st edition of Art Festival Kala Ghoda is being held in which city? Answer is Mumbai. Next, the third private train of the IRCTC would run between Indore and which city? Answer is Varanasi. Next, Rohit Sharma, who has become the dash dash Indian to cross 14,000 runs in international cricket. Answer is 8th. Next, what is the theme of World Cancer Day? Answer is I am and I will. Next, according to NCRB report, which state has recorded the highest number of missing women? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, according to NCRB report, which state has recorded the highest number of missing children? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which state has decided to ban all types of online lottery schemes in the state? Answer is Punjab. Next, which state government has ordered ban on alcohol consumptions at forts? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, the Union Cabinet has approved the setting up of the country's 30th major port in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, Jan Sevak scheme has been launched by which state for home delivery of government services? Answer is Karnataka. Next, which rank does India hold in terms of crude steel production in the world? Answer is second. Next, which state is the largest producer of steel in India? Answer is Odisha. Next, India's first glass floor suspension bridge will come up in which city? Answer is Rishikesh. Next, world's first bulletproof helmet has been developed by which country? Answer is India. Next, who invented bulletproof helmet? Answer is Major Anup Mishra. Next, which is the second largest metro in India? Answer is Hyderabad Metro Rail. Next, which is the largest metro rail in India? Answer is Delhi Metro. Next, Tamil Nadu government has declared which delta as protected special agricultural zone? Answer is Kaveri Delta. Next, which company has launched the We Think Digital program to provide digital literacy to women? Answer is Facebook. Next, what is the official name given to the disease caused by the new coronavirus by WHO? Answer is COVID-19. Next, which political party of Jharkhand will merge with BJP? Answer is Jharkhand Vikas Morcha. Next, which metro rail corporation is set to open India's first underwater metro rail services by March 2022? Answer is Kolkata Metro Rail Corporation. Next, with which country India has signed first ever term contract to import crude oil? Answer is Russia. Next, Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra has been renamed after which late Union Minister? Answer is Sushma Swaraj. Next, which state's transport corporation has been awarded with Transport Minister's Road Safety Award 2018-19 for lowest rate of accident in the category of hill state? Answer is Nagaland. Next, who has won the Men's National Snooker Championship 2020? Answer is Aditya Mehra. Next, Run for India Tea has been organized by Tea Development Corporation of which state? Answer is Tripura. Next, in which city Kashi Ek Roop Anek exhibition has been inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi? Answer is Varanasi. Next, India has decided to include which two species in the global conservation list? Answer is elephant and Indian bustard. Next, which state government is set to declare buffer area of Silent Valley National Park as Bhavani Wildlife Sanctuary? Answer is Kerala. Next, which of the following states won the award for implementation of Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandan Yojana in the state? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which state assembly became paperless after implementation the national e-Vidhan application in the house? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next, which state government has organized 8-day cultural festival called Vasantotsav? Answer is Gujarat. Next, which country has become India's top trading partner by surpassing China? Answer is USA. Next, first Khelo India Winter Games 2020 was held in which state or union territories? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which airport has launched Export Cold Zone to store agro and pharma products? Answer is Mumbai Airport. Next, which state government has set up a 5-member committee to study Andhra Pradesh Disha Act? Answer is Maharashtra government. Next, who has been appointed as the Finance Secretary of India? Answer is Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Next, who has been appointed as one of the key members of the White House Coronavirus Task Force? Answer is Seema Verma. Next, what is the name of the recently launched app by government that will provide doorstep delivery of diesel? Answer is Humsafar Mobile. Next, which Indian state hosted the Chili festival? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, what is the name of app launched by Punjab government for coronavirus? Answer is Goa Punjab. Next, which organization had sanctioned 12 billion US dollars to assist countries with economic impact of coronavirus? Answer is World Bank. Next, who has been appointed as Senior Vice President in the Goods and Service Tax Network? Answer is Dheeraj Rastogi. Next, which state union territory has launched Student Health Card Scheme? Answer is Jammu. Next, which city has set record for highest digital transactions? Answer is Bangalore. Next, which state has highest number of participants in the flagship program Poshan Abhiyan? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next, International Women's Day is observed every year on which day? Answer is 8 March. Next, which state government has organized Kobita Utsav? Answer is West Bengal. Next, which state will open an exclusive department Mission Shakti for self-help group? Answer is Odisha. Next, which state has top list for highest number of rooftop solar installations? Answer is Gujarat. Next, which team won ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2020? Answer is Australia. Next, who has become the first woman Deputy Inspector General of Indian Coast Guard? Answer is Nupul Kulshrestha. Next, Government of India and World Bank sign a $80 million loan agreement to improve water management practices in which state? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, according to World Air Quality Report 2019, which is the most polluted city in the world? Answer is Ghaziabad. Next, which state launched a dedicated monitoring cell under Mission Bhagirath to invite grievances and issues of supply of drinking water? Answer is Telangana. Next, which company along with Tata Steel has been named as world's most ethical companies? Answer is Wipro. Next, which state government has launched a mass hand washing campaign named Break the Chain to combat coronavirus? Answer is Kerala. Next, who has been appointed as new MD of Google Cloud India? Answer is Karan Bajwa. Next, which state celebrated the traditional harvest festival full day? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, which tech giant has launched website to track COVID-19? Answer is Microsoft. Next, who has been appointed as Chief Executive and Managing Director of the Yes Bank? Answer is Prashant Kumar. Next, which railway station will be renamed as Nana Shankar Shet Mumbai Central Railway Station? Answer is Mumbai Central Station. Next, which bank becomes the first bank to launch COVID-19 emergency credit line to provide funds to business affected by the infectious coronavirus? Answer is State Bank of India. Next, which state has launched Namaste Over Handshake campaign to counter the spread of COVID-19? Answer is Karnataka. Next, in an effort to fight against the spread of COVID-19, which force has set up quarantine camp at Visakhapatnam? Answer is Indian Navy. Next, which foundation has had set up the first hospital of India that will operate exclusively to treat coronavirus patients? Answer is Reliance Foundation. Next, which country has ended free entry for Indian tourists? Answer is Bhutan. Next, Haryana government has renamed Ambala city bus stand after which name? Answer is Sushma Swaraj. Next, which state has approved the renaming of the Latur Medical College as Vilasrao Deshmukh Institute of Medical Science? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, which state has cancelled reservation in promotion for state government employees? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, Which country has pledged $5 million to the COVID-19 emergency fund? Answer is Sri Lanka. Next, in which city Reliance Industries Limited has set up India's first COVID-19 dedicated hospital? Answer is Mumbai. Next, which bank has announced $100 million funding for Indian infrastructure sector? Answer is Asian Development Bank. Next, which bank has started its banking services on WhatsApp? Answer is ICICI Bank. Next, which fund has been launched to fight virus? Answer is PM CARES Fund. Next, which state government has launched a mobile app Pragyan to issue e-passes to everyone associated with delivery of essential services during the national lockdown to combat COVID-19? Answer is Jharkhand. Next, which state has set up a Team 11 to fight the coronavirus spread? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state has become the first Indian state to launch a self-assessment tool for COVID-19? Answer is Goa. Next, India's largest COVID-19 hospital will be set up in which state? Answer is Odisha. Next, what amount of financial support has been provided by National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development in the financial year 2019-20 for building rural infrastructure? Answer is 42,313 crores. Next, which became the first Indian company to get commercial approval from CDSCO for the sales of COVID-19 testing kit sale? Answer is MyLab. Next, which city has deployed drones to sanitize city areas against the coronavirus scare? Answer is Indore. Next, a Modi kitchen with a capacity to serve 500 meals every day has started functioning in which city? Answer is Kovai. Next, the Ministry of Tourism has launched which portal to help foreign tourists who are stuck in various parts of country? Answer is Stranded in India. Next, the first government hospital in the country to successfully launch the plasma therapy treatment for the COVID-19 patients located in which city? Answer is the King George Medical University located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state government has started active case finding campaign in the state for COVID-19? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which company has partnered with the Indian Railways to transport consignment via rail route across the country? Answer is Amazon. The first prototype of hospital isolation coach has been created successfully by which railway? Answer is Northern Railways. Next, which state union territory has launched the Operation Shield to curb the spread of COVID-19? Answer is Delhi. Next, which state government has launched the mobile application Corona Watch to contain the coronavirus outbreak? Answer is Karnataka. Next, which state government has launched COVID Pharma, a mobile application? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which state government has set up mobile hand wash facilities? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, as per revised norms of the central government, what is the limit for a person reside in Jammu and Kashmir to become permanent resident of the Union Territory? Answer is 15 years. Next, Naval Dockyard has designed a portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. It is located in which state? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Which state has top in a micro irrigation under Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Next, what is the tagline for Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana? Answer is Har Khet Ko Pani. Next, which mobile app has been launched by government to bring the people of India together to fight against COVID-19? Answer is Arogya Setu. Next, which mobile application became the world's fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days? Answer is Arogya Setu. Next, what amount has been offered by the World Bank for the proposed COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness project to develop India's healthcare system? Answer is $1 billion. Next, the All India Institute of Medical Science, Rishikesh, has set up India's first remote health monitoring system in partnership with which institutions? Answer is Bharat Electronics Limited. Next, which state has launched an on-demand delivery of essential goods and groceries through its Goa app? Answer is Punjab. Next, in which state V-Safe tunnel has been installed to sanitize people? Answer is Telangana. Next, which state has become the first state in the country to report more than 1000 coronavirus cases? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, which state government has launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana for women? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which ministry has launched the initiative called Lifeline Udan to help India fight against COVID-19? Answer is Ministry of Civil Aviation. Next, which state government has launched an app COVID Care? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next, which state government has started Dhanvantari scheme for home delivery of medicines? Answer is Assam. Next, which railway station becomes first station to get sanitizing tunnel? Answer is Ahmedabad railway station. Next, which Indian airport was recently renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport? Answer is Aurangabad Airport. Next, which app has launched for delivery of diesel at doorstep of housing societies, hotels and hospitals? Answer is Fuel Humsafar app. Next, who has launched Fuel Humsafar app? Answer is Santosh Gangwar. Next, when did the World Health Organization announce COVID-19 as a global health crisis? Answer is 11 March 2020. Next, which country has terminated its relationship with World Health Organization over its handling of the coronavirus? Answer is United States of America. Next, which state has become the first state to use Ayurveda to COVID-19 patients? Answer is Goa. Next, which company has launched Nearby Spot to assist users to find local stores? Answer is Google Pay. Next, which state government has launched Nirman portal? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, Amin village will be renamed as Abhimanyupur. It is located in which state? Answer is Haryana. Next, which national park has become the India's first quarantine center for animals after setting up isolation wards? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Next, which company has partnered with WHO to create a new sticker pack together at home? Answer is WhatsApp. Next, which state has become the first state to be corona free? Answer is Goa. Next, Which state has become the second state after Goa to be corona-free? Answer is Manipur. Next, which state has become the first state in the country to carry out rapid testing for COVID-19? Answer is Rajasthan. Next, which state has become the first state to start pool testing of COVID-19? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state government has started Dhanvantari scheme for home delivery of medicines? Answer is Assam. Next, which state has become the second corona-free state in northeastern region after Manipur? Answer is Tripura. Next, who has designed a casualty evacuation bag to transport or isolate persons infected with COVID-19? Answer is Defense Research and Development Organization. Next, Indian Air Force has airlifted 6.2-ton essential medicines and hospital consumables to Maldives under which operation? Answer is Operation Sanjeevani. Next, which state has banned the sale of chewing gums till June 30 over coronavirus? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which IIT institution has built a mobile app named Quarantine? Answer is IIT Bombay. Next, which IIT institutions has developed a low-cost portable ventilator Pranvayu in association with AIIMS Rishikesh? Answer is IIT Roorkee. Next, which company had signed a contract with the Indian Army for setting up an advanced IT-enabled system to operate the armed force network? Answer is L&T. Next, the Ministry of HRD has launched which campaign for crowdsourcing of ideas in order to improve the online education ecosystem of India? Answer is Bharat Padhe Online. Next, which state will provide free online medical consultation to sick people through eSanjeevani OPD? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which state has launched the top parent mobile app? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which state has launched the Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, who is the first woman Director General of Police of Kerala? Answer is R. Srilekha. Next, which IIT has developed magnesium alloy to replace steel aluminum in cars? Answer is IIT Madras. Next, which state government has announced to launch special free bus service Moksha Kalash? Answer is Rajasthan. Next, ADB and Government of India sign a $177 million loan to upgrade 450 kilometers of state highways and major district roads in which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, which state government has set up a startup fund under the Information Technology and Startup Policy 2017? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state has become the first state in the country to provide free and cashless insurance premium to people of the state under Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, who has been appointed as interim managing director and CEO of PNB Housing Finance? Answer is Neeraj Vyas. Next, which payment bank has collaborated with MasterCard to create customized financial products for farmers and small and medium enterprises? Answer is Airtel Payment Bank. Next, which social media platform has launched a group calling application named as Catchup? Answer is Facebook. Next, which state government has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana to boost the immune system of people to fight COVID-19? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, who launched Kisan Sabha app to connect farmers to supply chain and fleet transportation management system? Answer is CSIR, that is Central Road Research Institute. Next, which state has launched its first cyber security specific accelerator program, HACK, for startups recently? Answer is Karnataka. Next, which country recently announced to donate ventilators to India? Answer is USA. Next, which institution has developed a low-cost device to detect the presence of melamine in milk and dairy products? Answer is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Next, which e-commerce company has partnered with Vishal Mega Mart to deliver essentials at home? Answer is Flipkart. Next, which state government has launched HOPE, that is Helping Out People Everywhere portal, to help unemployed youth to get jobs opportunities? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, which state government has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana to benefit Anganwadi workers? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which bank has approved 400 million US dollars multi-year financial support to India to enhance and safeguard its coastal and marine resources? Answer is the World Bank. Next, which country is to hold the chair of the World Health Organization in May 2020 after Japan completes its tenure? Answer is India. Next, who has developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower UV blaster for rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone areas? Answer is DRDO. Next, which bank has released a song titled Hum Haar Nahi Manenge to keep hopes up the ongoing national lockdown and COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is HDFC Bank. Next, which state government has launched the Ayush Kavach app that will provide health related tips and information about Ayurvedic medicines amid the COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state government has decided to levy COVID cess on all types of liquor? Answer is Haryana. Next, which state government will provide financial assistance of 10,000 rupees to each fisherman family under Matsya Kara Bharosa scheme? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which operation has been launched by the Indian Navy as a part of national efforts to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas? Answer is Operation Samudra Setu. Next, which state government has launched Exit app for stranded people of other states? Answer is West Bengal. Next, who has become the new director on Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India? Answer is Tarun Bajaj. Next, which state government has decided to start the Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which state government has launched a new initiative, Food Bank, based on the theme Help End Hunger Today? Answer is Manipur state government. Next, which mission has been launched by India as repatriation drive for Indian nationals? Answer is Vande Bharat. Next, which portal has been launched by Civil Aviation Ministry and DGCA to fast-track approval to COVID-19 related drone operations? Answer is Garud portal. Next, in which city Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched a COVID-19 test bus? Answer is Mumbai. Next, who has launched the Ayush Sanjeevani mobile app? Answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Next, which bank has approved 1 billion US dollar Accelerating India COVID-19 Social Protection Response Program to support India? Answer is World Bank. Next, which country has named a street after Rabindranath Tagore as a tribute on his 159th birthday? Answer is Israel. Next, which state government has increased the retirement age of the government staff, teachers, and those in public sector units from 58 years to 59 years? Answer is Tamil Nadu government. Next, who has announced Atmanirbhar Gujarat Sahaya Yojana for small shopkeepers? Answer is Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Next, Gujarat government made digital payment mandatory for all home delivery services in which city? Answer is Ahmedabad. Next, which state has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? Answer is V. Vidyavati. Next, with which company ICMR announced a research collaboration to develop a COVID-19 vaccine? Answer is Bharat Biotech. Next, who has developed automated UV systems, Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer to sanitize electronic gadgets, papers, etc.? Answer is Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Next, who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? Answer is Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi. Next, to prevent coronavirus infection, which organization has launched e-Karyalay, an electric office application to enable the movement of files and documents without physical touch? Answer is Central Industrial Security Force. Next, who has been appointed as World Bank Practice Manager for Climate Change and Disaster Risk Management for South Asia? Answer is Indian economist Abhas Jha. Next, which state government in collaboration with Doordarshan has started online classes and educational program for school children? Answer is Jharkhand. Next, which IIT has developed interactive dashboard MIR AHD COVID-19 dashboard to help contain COVID-19 community infection post-lockdown? Answer is IIT Gandhinagar. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of NABARD? Answer is Govind Rajula Chintala. Next, in which state all those policemen who rendered their services for 30 days in fight against corona will be honored with Karamveer medal? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, state government has launched Charan Paduka campaign for the migrant labours passing through the state. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has been appointed as the Director General of Labour Bureau in the Ministry of Labour? Answer is DPS Negi. Next, which state government has announced the launch of the Rozgar Setu scheme? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, the United Nations World Food Programme. India has partnered with which IIT to support state and national government in achieving food and nutrition security? Answer is IIT Delhi. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a massive rural public work scheme Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan in how many states of India? Answer is 6. Next, which country has come up with a One Sun, One Word, One Grid initiative? Answer is India. Next, which city's municipal corporation has launched a mobile application, AirVenti, to provide information on ICU beds and ventilators? Answer is Mumbai. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy? Answer is Urjit Patel. Next, National Career Service Portal is an initiative of which ministry? Answer is Ministry of Labor and Employment. Next, which state government has launched Karmobhumi, a job portal to help IT professionals who have lost their jobs after the outbreak of COVID-19 and returned to the state? Answer is West Bengal. Next, which IIT has developed an artificial intelligence powered COVID-19 test which can be performed at an affordable cost? Answer is IIT Hyderabad. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched which video blogging competition to mark International Yoga Day? Answer is My Life, My Yoga. Next, Nisarga cyclone name given by which country? Answer is Bangladesh. Next, who will take over as the 15th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command? Answer is General Manoj Pandey. Next, name the AI-enabled robot launched by the Indian Railway to intensify the screening and surveillance of railway passengers and railway staff. Answer is Captain Arjun. Next, which station will have India's first stainless steel foot over bridge by the end of 2020? Answer is Bhayandar Station. Next, which state government has launched Panchavati Yojana for the senior citizens of rural areas of the state? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which state has proposed to provide tap connections to all households? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Next, how many bird species of Kerala state have been flagged as key species of concern according to the State of India's Birds Report? Answer is 15 species. Next, which IT company has announced to launch of Summer of Ideas initiative for university students worldwide and outline learning program? Answer is Infosys. Which state has launched an online portal skill register to create a database of migrants? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, the Power Ministry has launched which initiative on World Environment Day to create a robust and resilient energy system in the future? Answer is hashtag #ICommit initiative. Next, which state government has decided to rename the state's environment ministry as Environment and Climate Change Ministry? Answer is Maharashtra. Next, which ministry has launched the booklet titled Safe Online Learning in the Times of COVID-19? Answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Next, what is the name of person who is the voice behind COVID-19 caller tune in Hindi? Answer is Jaslin Bhalla. Next, which institute has developed nanotechnology based disinfectant spray Ananya to fight against COVID-19? Answer is Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Next, which state government has launched the country's first online waste exchange platform? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which company has signed an agreement with the UN Global Compact Initiative to reduce emissions? Answer is Tech Mahindra. Next, Deep Submergence Rescue Vehicle complex was inaugurated in which place? Answer is Vishakhapatnam. Next, which country has decided to set up its first coal exchange? Answer is India. Next, according to Gujarat Forest Department, the Asiatic lion population in Gir National Park has increased by dash dash percent in the past 5 years. Answer is 29%. Next, Karnataka state government has decided to ban the holding of virtual classes to students up to. Answer is Standard 7. Next, which state government has inaugurated plant health clinic? Answer is Manipur. Next, which state forest department has opened the state's biggest biodiversity park? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, which state has given the Corona Warrior status to Divyang Anganwadi workers? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which state became the first to declare the internet as a fundamental right of the citizen? Answer is Kerala. Next, use mask disposal device Bin 19 and UV Spot has been launched in which state? Answer is Kerala. Next, which state government has launched a mobile application that will inform people in the state about the availability of hospital beds and ventilators in the government and private hospitals? Answer is Delhi government. Next, world's longest railway platform with dimensions of 1400 meters length and 10 meters width is being built at which railway station? Answer is Hubli railway station. Next, which became the first private rocket company to send astronauts to space? Answer is SpaceX. Next, in which state an ancient 500-year-old temple that remains submerged in Mahanadi found? Answer is Odisha. Next, India has pledged to construct a rupees 2.33 crores sanitization facility at the complex of which temple? Answer is Pashupatinath Temple. Next, which company has joined the Climate Pledge, an initiative co-founded by e-commerce firm Amazon and environment firm Global Optimism? Answer is Infosys. Next, which state has imposed a complete ban on online classes for pre-primary and primary classes? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, Composite Regional Center for Persons with Disabilities was launched in which city? Answer is Ranchi. Next, IIT Kanpur is going to produce how many N95 and N99 grade face masks per day? Answer is 25,000. Next, who has launched a behavior change campaign called Navigating the New Normal? Answer is Niti Aayog. Next, which state has won the first prize under E-Panchayat Puraskar 2020? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which company has launched the Ayurvedic medicines Coronil and Swasari to treat COVID-19? Answer is Patanjali Ayurveda. Next, which state has formed a state migrant labor commission to provide employment to migrant laborers? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, who has become the first woman chief secretary of Punjab? Answer is Winnie Mahajan. Next, Project Platina launched by Maharashtra government is related to? Answer is plasma therapy trial for treatment of COVID-19 patients with severe symptoms.